Grand Rising, my people. I salute you all. Welcome to this morning broadcast. I hail all of you. Welcome, guys. Good morning. Who is this person? Oh, that's Choma over there. I greet you all, my people. I see you guys. Thanks for joining us this wonderful morning. I hope we are all having fun. My people, don't let anything trouble you, especially if you are one of the people that try to warn people when this started and nobody listened. But should we do? Even the politicians, the one you think is even fighting them from behind is paying them. So why wouldn't Gentle come outside and be misbehaving? Speaking as if he owns Imo State. As you can see the title, please, who is the actual governor of Imo State? That's what I want to do. Because there is a way I see power. I don't see power by just title. It's about the person that can actually make a proclamation and it will come to pass. How many things has this one said that anyone obeyed? And how many has this one said that many people obey? So that gets us asking, I beg, have they, is it, do we have Governor Hope or Governor Ratiboa? If I see you, Namdi or Fonedu. Yes, because this is a huge embarrassment. I wouldn't say it's to the whole of Ndimo. No, it's to the governor. How can you call yourself the governor of a state, then a nobody person wey in papa been the thief for Enugu? Should we hear from the voice I will play now? Son of a Perima. Na him come the decide wetin dey happen for your state. Then what makes you a governor? How would you look at yourself, call yourself a governor, but the state you're governing, one person will give another and the town will empty? Just a promise to buy people and everywhere is deserted. Why? That is because the people know where the actual power lies. Okay? Chijoke. Ọkụ na emanago ni de ya iti the market. Aganaze, well done. Alexander Hedo. So, my people, this is not a joke. It is not a joke. Nobody is joking with this. We are not here to insult anybody, but we are here to ask critical questions. Like, how in the world is a civilian, a bloody civilian, an Okada man for that matter, a state like Imo State, when it comes to intelligence, we have one of the smartest people, some of the smartest people in Igbo land. We have one of the best cultures found anywhere in Ala Igbo. Imo State is the only place where no single person can come up and say, oh, I am, like, there is nobody that has the type of power Ateze has in Anambra in Imo State. I'm telling you, there is nobody. Mention that person in Imo State that has that type of power, that wields that type of power Ateze wields in Anambra State. It doesn't happen. It doesn't happen. Anywhere, there is nowhere. But all of a sudden, one Ekpedima, one Onyoshi, or Kada for that matter, that another fool, Nnamdi Kanu. You see, this time, Gentle's father was stealing in Enugu. It's the same time, Nnamdi Kanu's father was doing a catcher walk. Una know win the cat for now, for the same Abia state. 2 generations later, now there are 2 children, they bring problem for Southeast because we have no leader. And let me tell you why it's difficult to flush these people out from Okigwe. One, in that place, you don't have good access roads. You see Okigwe, it has been neglected for long. Okay? It has been neglected for long. When you leave a region, when you leave a part of your state for long, it will not be difficult to recruit people against the government. And this blame should not go to just the governors of the previous governors of Imo State. After all, an Okigwe man had done 4 years as governor. So maybe you people should show us the project or Hakim was handling in your place before it stopped. Then we will blame Rochas for not continuing it. And also blame Hope for onward abandonment. Road to Absu is very bad. Absu is Abia State too. We used to own the school, then they stole it. Okay? We used to own the place, then they took it. Absu is Abia State. Are you understanding me? And they are neglecting Abia, and they neglect their own Okigwe. Imo, they neglect their own Okigwe. Meanwhile, now this place, people like Chukwumerije come from. Now that side, so many top people. Ifeanyi Aradume is from that place. He has been in the Senate, a notable member of the PDP in Imo State, of which all of them been there PDP the same time. You understand? Maurice Iwu, now from that side. All of these people have come out from Okigwe zone, and there is absolutely nothing they did for their own people there. Now, why would you blame the people that fell victim for Gentle? Because even those same people that they are looking up to, or Hakim visited Nnamdi Kanu in his father's house, true or false, was hailing him, leader. So why wouldn't an average Okigwe, see, not to insult Okigwe people, but you know those ones are backward in thinking to begin with. Again, I have nothing against Abakaliki people. My mother, maternal home for that side. Okigwe, now the Abakaliki of Imo State. Just like where's this Uguta side or Haji. We know how we classify these people. So you think these people that fooled them, recruited them, and used them to do all these things are not aware? Yeah? You say we didn't steal it, it was shared in equity. Really? So you said what Ike Nwachukwu did was equity. Really? Are you serious? Okay, at the market, you people took Aba and still had to divide Okigwe. You took Aba, the commercial hub of Imo State there. Still had to take the school. How do you mean airport? Which airport? Like, do you know there is absolutely nothing much an airport is contributing to a state compared to school and market. And the school we gave to you people till now, how is it? Look at him to still better person. The area, you people look at how area is looking. DK you want to do it, Yahoo. And the answer what you the show they go on new K want you. Akunu hanu me ke me chare ke call them. My brother happen to happy kajenu side. But as I promised you people yesterday evening, I want to play the voice note of the youth leader of Gentle's community, his immediate community, Ala Igbo. We weren't able to play it yesterday, last night. We are going to play it now. I want to give you the biography of the de facto leader of Imo State. Yes, he's the de facto leader of Imo State because no one voted for him. Yet he seems to have more power than the person where them say they vote for. Now, yeah, I'm coming. So you people also took gentle like it wasn't Nandi. I mean, Nandi bring gentle. Hey, I've been and they give us gentle. Sorry, my people, I go collect my miracle leaf. How to the leaves are here, let them wait for. Let me play it so you hear the true history of Gentle and his family.
Aha m bụ Ikechukwu. Amụrụ m n'ụmụ anụ dị n'ime akụ n'ime Okigwe, Imo steeti nke Nigeria. Abụ m onye akụ. Achọrọ m iji ohere a mee ka ụwa niile ghọta, mee ka ndị Nigeria, ndị Imo steeti, ndị Okigwe, ndị ụmụlọlọ, ndị nna atọ na ndị agbata obi ndị akụ niile were mata na o nwere eziokwu nke zoro ezo nke ndị mmadụ na-amaghị, nke butere ji nwee ọtụtụ echiche dị iche iche nke megidere ndị akụ. Ya mere geenụ ntị ka nkọwa nke mere n'ihi na abụ m onye akụ. O nwere otu nwa okorobịa a na-akpọ Gentle the Yahoo. Gentle the Yahoo wụ n'afọ amụrụ n'ala Umuekegwu. Umuekegwu dị n'ime Amorie nke dị n'ime akụ nke Okigwe n'Imo steeti Nigeria. Amadi ya na-akpọ Gentle. Ezigbo aha ya wụ Ifeanyị Chukwu. Aha mma ya wụ Anna. Aha papa ya wụ Okorie Nta Eze, nke eji okpegbuo were mara n'ihi papa ya na-ezu ohi. Mgbe ọ na-Enugu, o ohi o zuru mere eji chefuo na aha ya wụ Okorie Nta were akpọ ya okpegbuo onye oziri. Ọ bụrụ na o zuru ihe gị ya ekpegbuo gị were napụ gị ihe gị. Nke a bụ nke bụ eziokwu. Na Ifeanyị Okpegbuo nke eji Gentle the Yahoo were mara bụ nwafọ akụ. Achọrọ m ime ka unu mata otu ya bụ mmiri si baa n'opi ụgbọgịrị. Ọtụtụ n'ime unu nọ na Nigeria, n'ime Imo steeti, n'ime Okigwe na ndị gbara gburugburu maara na o nwere mgbe a na-atọrọ ndị mmadụ n'ụzọ sitere Okigwe bata Amosu, si Amosu gawa arụ ndị Izọgụ, bata gawa aka ọkwa wee baa Anambra. Na o nwere mgbe a na-atọrọ ndị mmadụ na Naihot n'ịkpọ ụra kwa abalị abụọ. Orisi ka eji emeji biznes, ndị nke abịa mee taa ha ala nwanne echi ndị ọzọ abịa atọrọ ha si n'ịkpa ụra bata ịkpa ndị akụ, si ịkpa akụ tọrọ ha baa ịkpala ọmara gawazie lọkpa nta. Mgbe a na-atọ ndị mmadụ ọtụtụ.
This same route you mentioned now, is this not the same place the criminal that called himself the former prelate of Methodist Church said he was kidnapped? No be the same area be this where that crook, you see, Ndi Igbo, all these fools where they call themselves men of God. The day where I pray una no go burn down all the churches before the day where una eye go open. No be the same road where that fool where call himself Methodist prelate. After you talk now, they go say, hey, is something like spiritual fathers. See people where be una spiritual father no she. No be the same law banter when I go the post where the body scatter. Say na Fulani they do am. Hey, there is a cattle market around there, so they go leave their market or they go buy people come put them near their cattle market. Abi, you remember when I told you they were trying to steal that law banter farm cattle market because it's strategically positioned. The place don't open now. Some people want corner them the way they corner Amausa way done it before. Shebi they see as these people they mention am say na so then they carry people they pass them make we they go first.
Ndị mmadụ amaghị ihe a ga-eme nke butere na ndị akụ na onwe ya gaa ọrụ n'ịkpa ha na-ahụ ebe a na-edu ndị atọrọ sile ịkpa ha na-akpụrụ na-aga na ụzọ lọkpa nta maka na ndị na-achị efi mere ụzọ ihe ha si aga sitere lọkpa nta bata ịkpa ndị akụ baa ịkpa ụra na ndị ọzọ. Mgbe nke a na-aga o wee ruo mgbe ebidoro tọwazie ndị akụ ha si ihube na-alọta atọrọ ndị akụ. Ndị akụ kpọkwara gọọmenti Imo steeti kpọọ ndị polisi ka gbabatara ha enyemaka. Onwenwe onye ndị polisi menwuru, onwenwe okwenye ihe ndị Imo steeti menwuru. Ndị Igbo si na ọ bụ na ma ahụ ebe a ga-edukasa aka ebesi ala ikpere. Mgbe nke a na-eme jentụ dị Yahoo nke a na-agba Ifeanyị nọ n'Osumohu ebe ha na-azọ maka Biafra. Mgbe ha nọ n'Osumohu, ọtụtụ n'ime unu wu ndị oke igwe, ọtụtụ n'ime unu wu ndị ụmụlọlọ, ndị amoosu, ndị ụmụọkara, ndị ụmụawa, ndị nne atọ na ndị gbara ha gburugburu kwenyere na ha na-eme maka na onye ọbụla dị ka ọ chọrọ Biafra. Anyị chee na ọ Biafra ka a na-eme. So mgbe nke a na-aga n'iru hụzie na a na-atọ ndị akụ kwa week. Ndị akụ amaghị a ga-eme, amaghị ka ozi si wee ruo mamadi a na-akpọ jentụrụ dị Yahoo ntị ya wee lọta ala akụ obodo ya na ode ka ọ bịa napụta ndị ya n'aka ndị ntọ.
See what they don't understand. What they didn't know is that time that thing was happening, those people they say they were kidnapping. Now the same Butuzo, Zuma, Gentle, yes, that time he still there, but now junior member is still there inside bush. You remember that video where they butcher people, they roast head, where they want chop, where they tell the other man where they alive, say, you see how they do this head now, so I go soon do your own. Wait, your own time they come. And they carry the other head, they roll them like this, say, see, I'm now see the nose. Na Fulani, see the mark. You remember that video? Now, Gent will be the person who wear yellow for that video. That guy will wear yellow for that video. Now, Gent will be that. So, in case you don't forget that video, now, Gentle, yes, not coming that time, even though on top of your Okada, he still they carry him Okada that time. Now, Gentle, so that time when they talk, now the same group of people they do that thing, but they never face their side. Now, when Gentle come their side, Now after their people come gather themselves, the executives of the current executives of our community, all of them, their hand dey there. Una don't forget say na them be the ginger, una say anybody wey no contribute that money wey they say they wan give them to that time, this one go happen to am, that one go happen to am. Una don't forget, after many of them begin build houses. Where you think say the money come from? Where una think say the money come from? Na that time he still dey like lower. He never even reach to respond to sapele first. Na after dem come kpai baby, the one wey they call baby, after dem kpai baby and they come separate for that place, na that time they come pursue sapele dem, move sapele dem come. Many of their boys dey Mbosi, they dey Uli, till date o, dem dey Hiala, dem dey Osumohu. Their oga for Osumohu still dey there. Okay, the oga for Osumohu still dey there. You understand? So now those people wey go call gentle that time, na them follow cause this thing, especially the executives of our community. They know what they were doing. They know say na these people. Now the normal village people wey no know. Okay, see, ndị Aku, shebi this guy use him mouth dey talk say when the Aku people dey go farm, they see them as they carry people wey dem kidnap, they pass them. Why una no talk? Because they tell una say this one's na Sabo, or dem go say, oh, this one na Fulani. People go carry their truck, they go deliver goods, big lorry like this, so go deliver goods. They go stop them, carry everything with them, with all their load, go enter bush, then carry them go. Una they see them all, because una believe say una the Biafra soldiers we go bring una freedom. The freedom, una fugonian. Na freedom they give honor. Make we dey continue first.
Nke a ji kidnapping wee mara, wee bata na Aku, babiri na Aku. Anyị amaghị na ọ bụ ọsọ ka ọ gbara site na Osumohu lọta ala Aku. Anyị amaghị na ọ bụ ọsọ. Anyị chee na ọ bịara inyere anyị aka. Mgbe nke a na-aga obere oge, ọ dị ka ịtọ ndị Aku ọ kwụsịrị n'ụzọ gara Ihube. Anyị nwewe obi aṅụrị na Chineke azọpụtara anyị n'aka ndị na-abịa tọrọ anyị. Wee ruo otu ụbọchị anyị nọ, Ifeanyị kpọọ oku dịka Nebukadneza kpọrọ ndị ụwa na mgbe nke ya, kpọọ akụ niile oku. Akụ niile were zuo la mission. Ifeanyị wee chee akụ niile iyi n'ihu na onye ọbụla ahụ aṅụghị iyi ahụ ga-anwụ. Ya were gbaa akụ niile ndụ na ị ga-ekpukwe ihe ị hụrụ. Akụ niile wee ṅụọ iyi.
You see, he said just one day, he first calm down, leave everywhere, be like say he calm now. They think say everything done settle. One day he just called them for the church. When you hear them say mission, in the most state, you know mission, oh church, call them to the church premises. They gathered. He said all of them must take this their Quaker oath. He made them take oath, and anybody that doesn't participate go back. Now, more na hear what will happen afterwards.
Arabu ndị jụrụ ịṅụ iyi ya site n'okpukpe ha, Ifeanyị gburu ha to the point tupu ha nwụọ, ya mmekwe gbaa mbọ na ha ṅụrụ ya wụ iyi, ya were gbuo ndị ahụ. Mana mgbe nke a mechara, arụ dị iche iche bido malite mewe n'ala Aku.
The people wey no gree taking Quaker oath, he say he separate them one corner, and he later forced them to take am home. At the end of the day, he kpai them. You see how you instill fear in people. Now the first thing wey knack them, and the mumu people wey go take oath no say the oath na fake, say e no dey work. Please, ndị Aku, ọ bụrụ na ihe asị unu nwe ọ na-awọkụ awọkụ nwaanyị ihe ahụ egbughị unu o ji ji egbe abịa agbagbu unu. Ihe ahụ ka egbu n'unu ma ọ bụrụ na ezigbo ihe egbe ka o ji abịa na-agbagbu unu. Now see how daft our people are. See daft our people are. They believe in all this nonsense. You see, all these people you call Dibias, I'm telling you, they are criminals. Okay? They are criminals. They are lying to the people. Now, imagine if Hope Uzodinma had used the whole radio in Imo State to be spreading this message. Of course, we have at least 2 public radios in Imo State. Why didn't they use it to fight these people? Why didn't they use it to educate the people, to make them know that this their nonsense oath they are taking is not working? There is no effect. There is no power to it. Nobody taught them. And these are people who are backward in thinking. Yes, they have smart people, fine. They have so many great people from Nigeria. These are national figures, so yet they all neglect where they came from. They all neglect where they come from. That a fool like this, Onye Okada, gathered a full village to take oath. Nobody even found it worthy to alert the authorities in time. To alert Kesho Sudan one name nwoke ezigbo kweka oath.
Ụfọdụ gbafuwazie n'akụ. Megide zuo nke ruru na onweghị onye mma ihe ọ ga-ekwu, onweghị onye mma ihe ọ ga-eme. Ụfọdụ ndị abụghị ndị akụ si obodo dị iche iche wee jupụta n'akụ. Ndị so esi Osumohu na-abatazi akụ, ndị sikwa obodo ndị ọzọ na-abata akụ.
That was after they have that issue. Now everybody carried their own people, went to their side, their new bases. Now when they share territory, you see when you hear them shout, "Oh, okay, Igbo State," when they there they laugh. Now so they map the territory where these ones go. They go. All these their boys, they go assign them. Oh, now, you know, so they don't even share local government chairman finish. All those people. Find out who is their governors. No, they take this their position, they joke. Find out who be their senators from those of Igbo states and whatever nonsense. He wants to catch them. He go there easy to arrest the whole web of people. Gentle. Don't worry, I go tell on all the places where they go at the end of this voice note. So if you are from that place, you begin to be on the lookout. And I will show you places you will take your information to.
Ivu egbe wee karịa ụmụnne m na-ahụlanị na onye ivu egbe na onye gba aka abụghị ofu. Ikwuo ọnwụ, ikpughe ekwu ọnwụ, ọsọ wee taala akụ. Mgbe nke a mere, Ifeanyị wee malite mewezi arụ dị iche iche, mewe mpụ dị iche iche. Nke anya ndị ụfọdụ n'ime anyị nọ n'akụ hụrụ, kama onye kwenu ga-ekwu n'ihi ikwuo ga nwụọ. Ya mere, arụ were mee, mpụ wee ju ebe niile. Aga n'ebe ọzọ bute ndị mmadụ eburibote na akụ bịa gbuo. Ndị hụrụ kwuru, nke mụ onwe m hụkwara mgbe gara aga, m were gbapụ. Mana n'eziokwu, achọrọ m ime ka ndị Naịjirịa ghọta, ime ka ndị oke igwe ghọta, na ndị gbara gburugburu, ndị agbata obi, ndị akụ mata na okwu a na-ekwu bụ site ndị aka ndị yutu akụ, n'ihi na ndị ndu akụ, ndị na-achụ akụ agharịpụrụ akụ.
Ndị na-achị akụ agharịpụrụ akụ. This is their plan. This is their plan. They are not, your leaders are not disappointing you. This is by design. All of them plan for their mind now. They get access to generals. They get generals contact for their mind now. For their mind, inside their mind, they get contact of generals. All these ones where they call generals. They get contact with generals, and them now for their mind, and then get power. Shebi they buy all the Eze where they there. Then come install Butuzo as Eze. Gentle brother no. Ngoni Osho no. Ekperimane na-enweghị your pastor onye aka bara n'ife. Buzo no n'otu aka mmadụ kọrọ akụ. So ndị akụ, these your executives, your current executives, these new guys, the youth, please, I am telling you, have nothing to do with your former executive. In fact, nke ọbụla unu nwetara unu ebere isi. Nke ọbụla unu nwetara unu emeghị ihe gentle unu eme ndị mmadụ. They are all his spies. No be then they collect the money they go they give am. You no be them they collect the money they give am. No be them force all of una. Say anybody wey no contribute and they threaten those person to burn in house, of which they burn many people house for una place. True or false? True or false? Na the same thing una dey see so. Na them. So don't say your leaders disappointed you. They are with them, including your politician, including your Southeast politicians. They think that by this happening, the government will be looking at their faces. They believe they are using it to bring attention. If